triacylglycerols, or sometimes we refer to it as triglycerides. Now that molecule at the top of the screen is a glycerol molecule. If you look carefully at these indexes, or whatever you call it, those are the carbon molecules. You have 1, 2, 3 indices, 1, 2, 3 carbon molecules, to which 3 OH groups are attached, 3 hydroxyl groups. Now this is glycerin. This is the backbone of triacylglycerides. This is the spinal cord of triacylglycerides. Remember that. And they are comprised of this molecule of glycerol, to which are ester-linked fatty acid molecules. And triacylglyceride means 3 acids attached to the glycerol. And once more, the linkage done is an ester linkage. It seems like this diagram also. You have a carboxylic acid and an alcohol. In this case, the alcohol is glycerol. And the alcohol group, this OH group, will lose a hydrogen. And the OH from the carboxylic acid will be lost. There's another condensation reaction. Water is given off and ester is produced. And this ester is triacylglycerol. 3 ester linkages. Wow, I coughed and it switched. Simple triacylglycerides have all 3 fatty acids on the same carbon. So if you have 3 stearic acid, simple triacylglycerides have 3 fatty acids of the same nature, and this is reflected in the name. So if you have 3 stearic acid attached here, it is known as tri-stearin. 3 stearic acid. Okay. The main function of triacylglycerides or triglycerides would be the storage of energy, and this is usually mainly in the form of adipose tissue. And these energy stores are long-term, unlike the glycogen supplies in the body, which would give you less than a day's worth of energy. And triglycerides also provide insulation, that's against extremes of temperature. That's why some whales and so on would have these large fat deposits in the skin. Hey! Alright. The action of phospholipases now. Here we have a glycerol molecule, the backbone, carbon 1, 2, 3. On the carbon 3 we have a phosphate group and a monomer attached. But we're not dealing with that right now, we're just looking at the different phospholipases. You see that phospholipase A1 acts on the first fatty acid group. It cleaves it there, releasing that fatty acid. Phospholipase A2 acts on the second group, cleaves there. And phospholipase C and D, we haven't reached phospholipids yet, so we won't be focusing on that right now. Moving right along. Wow, we're moving. So we've completed fatty acids, we've dealt with glycinoids and triglycerides. So according to our schedule, the next thing to deal with is the class of lipids known as waxes. Wow. Now waxes are also esters of fatty acids, but it's important that we note that the alcohol in waxes is not glycerol. Remember, triacylglycerides have a glycerol and 3 fatty acids. Well, the alcohol in waxes is not glycerol. In fact, the alcohols are long chain, so it's not like the 3 carbon alcohol glycerol. In fact, these alcohols have 16 to 30 carbon. Now, some of the popular waxes that you would know are those found in a waxy cuticle, which serves as a water repellent on leaves. And other notable appearance would be in beeswax, which is used cosmetically in hair products, etc. Wow, that was quick. So we dealt with fatty acids, glycinoids, triacylglycerols, and waxes. Now the next 2 categories of lipids are big ones: glycerophospholipids and sphingolipids.